My name is Dr. David Ney, and I've been actually practicing here in Harrisburg since 2002. It's been a phenomenal practice here. It's the exact kind of people and practice that I was brought up with back in Rochester, Minnesota. Practicing for 25 years allows you to see kind of where you need to grow, where you have your skills, what have you. We continue to grow here every year, and a lot of that is dependent upon what kind of patient base we see. We see problems that come in that maybe 5 years ago we couldn't fix. Well, we can fix them now because we have mini implants. We can do endo. We can straighten teeth if we have to. There's a lot of options out there, and so if you have any issues, don't ever be afraid to give us a shout. We have a lot of experience here. We have a lot of caring people here. This is really what we do. This is our life, and we want to help you. So give us an opportunity. Call, make an appointment. We'll take the proper x-rays. We'll have a proper treatment plan, and we'll have some financial options for you.